Good morning, sixth grade. It is Thursday, and hey, Mia shared some prayer requests, and thank you, Mia. Prayed for you. She has some unspoken, so you guys pray for her on that. And today we're going to look at symmetry. Hope last night's went fine. Okay, line symmetry is where you can cut something in half, and when you fold it, it's going to match up with where it started. So I can take and draw a dotted line through here. That's called a line of symmetry. And when I take this and fold it down, it matches up exactly. So that has one line. Now I can find another one too, which is right through the middle here, because when I take this side and fold it like that, it matches up with that side. So this one has two lines of symmetry. Now this one here, if I draw a dotted line here, when I fold that, no, it doesn't work. That doesn't work. To be truthful, that doesn't work. There's nothing that works. So this one has 0 lines of symmetry. The square down here, that one I can take and I can cut it in half this way. I can cut it in half this way. I can also go diagonally through here and diagonally through here. Even like diagonally, that'll fold right in half like that. So this one actually has 4 different lines of symmetry. Okay, so let's start the rotational symmetry. Rotational is where you turn it like a wheel and flip it. So we're going to flip it 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and then we'll flip it even back to where we started, 360 degrees. Now if you flip it 90, it's going to look like this, which does not look like that. Okay, we flip it 180. Okay, now it does, so this is good. Here, flip it again, it's going to look like that sideways, and then we're back to the original again. Now, the original does never count. I mean, back to 360, because that's not like a big deal. It's not rotating it. It's just looking at the original. But because this looked the same at 180 as it did here, we would say, yes, this has rotational symmetry. If we go down to a square with a smiley face in it, we'll rotate it 90 degrees. So that would spin it this way. So if we spin it this way, it would look like that. And then if we did it again, it would look like that. And then if we did it again, it would look this time. I got to think about this. It would look like this, and then we back to the beginning, which is like this. Now if you look at these 3, there's not anywhere with these 3 that look like the first one. Remember, we can't count that one. And so this one would be no, does not have rotational symmetry. Hope you have a good day and a good Easter vacation. Jesus arose indeed.